Imagine waking up one morning and seeing a sunrise on Mars. The sky is tinted orange. The ground is dusty red. You look out a window and you are not on Earth anymore. You are living on another planet. Now the real question is this: how close are we to making that possible in real life? Today, we are breaking down what experts believe about when humans might reach Mars and what it would actually take to live there long term. This is not science fiction. This is the real roadmap scientists and engineers are already building. Let us start with the simple question: when will humans land on Mars? Most researchers agree that the first human footprints on Mars could happen sometime between the late 2030s and early 2040s. The reason is not because we lack technology. We have rockets powerful enough to reach Mars. We even have landing systems that can deliver heavy equipment. The real problem is survival. Mars is not friendly to humans. The air is basically toxic. The temperature can drop far below freezing. There is intense radiation, and the soil itself can damage human lungs. So before any human lands there, we need solutions. That is why space agencies are testing radiation shields, underground habitats, artificial oxygen systems, and closed-loop farms that recycle air, water, and food. Now let us talk about something most people never think about: the trip itself. A journey to Mars takes about 7 months. Imagine being inside a spacecraft the size of a small apartment for more than half a year while traveling through empty space. No emergency stops, no hospitals, no rescue missions. This means future astronauts will need stronger medical systems, psychological support, and smart cabin designs that feel more like a home than a machine. So what about actually living on Mars? Experts predict the first humans will not build cities right away. Instead, they will live in small habitats, most likely underground or covered by Martian soil to block radiation. These bases will look more like research stations than homes. Life will be slow, controlled, and full of routines. You wake up, check oxygen levels, grow food, fix equipment, study the environment, and communicate with Earth with a delay of up to 22 minutes. It will feel more like being on a long mission than starting a new society. But over time, things will evolve. The big turning point will be resources. To live on Mars, we need to use what is already there. This is called in situ resource utilization. Scientists are already working on machines that can turn Martian ice into drinking water, Martian dust into building bricks, and Martian air into rocket fuel. Once these systems become reliable, humans can start building larger bases. So when could normal people, not astronauts, actually move to Mars? Realistically, that is not happening anytime soon. Even the most optimistic predictions place the first small settlements in the late 2040s or 2050s. And having a real community with hundreds or thousands of people is likely a project for the second half of the century. But here is the crazy part: everything we need to start this journey is already being developed. Reusable rockets, radiation-proof materials, AI systems that help monitor habitats, and robots that build structures before humans arrive. So if everything goes right, here is the simple timeline. Humans visit Mars for short missions in the 2030s or 2040s. Small research bases begin forming in the 2050s. Early settlements appear late in the century. A real Martian community might exist in the 2100s. Will it be easy? No. Is it guaranteed? No. But for the first time in human history, living on another planet is not a fantasy. It is a challenge we are slowly learning how to solve. If you enjoy simple breakdowns like this, hit subscribe, and I will keep the universe feeling a little less confusing. First thing you feel: nothing, at least at the start.